When it comes to filtering larger pools, Waterco's Opal XL and full flow cartridge filter range has you covered. The Opal XL cartridge filter will leave your pool sparkling with minimal wastage and even less fuss. The Opal XL's cartridges are fabricated from pleated reusable polyester fabric, which can easily be cleaned with an everyday garden hose. Opal XL's innovative dome-shaped lid allows room to accommodate an extra large cartridge to meet the capacity of pools up to 180,000 litres. These extra large pleated cartridges have greater surface areas, measuring up to 25 square metres for the Opal XL 270. This high surface area optimises the cartridge's dirt holding capacity, extending time between cleaning to reduce water wastage. These extra large filters are ideal for applications where backwashing is not practical or areas where water is scarce. A screw-on lock ring allows easy access to the cartridge to facilitate removal, cleaning and reinstallation within minutes. Combined with a multi-cyclone centrifugal pre-filter, Opal XL cartridge filters only require a seasonal clean when used with an average domestic-sized swimming pool. Constructed from high-impact polypropylene and designed for easy maintenance, Opal cartridge filters provide years of trouble-free service. Living with water restrictions need not mean swimming pool owners have to sacrifice the quality of the water in their pools.